Hey guys, this is Joshua from Safe Food Pro, and today I'd like to give you a little run through on our form reports page, which is a really great way to get insight into how your forms are being filled in, and if you have a verification coming up, it's a great way to export these forms to send out to your verifier if they're looking for some specific forms. So the form reports page allows you to generate reports for any form you have completed within Safe Food Pro. So firstly, you'll want to make sure that the date range in the top right-hand corner of the screen reflects what data you would like to show up. So choose any of the options we've provided, like the last 7 days or this month, or if you need to, you can set your own custom date range. So for example, let's say I want to see a 1 week period back in November 2021. Now, as you can see, the data now reflects our own custom date range. From here, you can see all of the forms currently turned on in your account, as well as the amount of times they've been filled in by you or your team. However, if you'd like to see reports for forms that have been turned off as well, you can select the Show Unused checkbox. Now, to generate a report for any of your forms, find one with a little green page icon next to it and click it. This will show you how each of the forms was filled in and by who. Now, you can export this form report for your verifier or for your own reporting by selecting any of the exporting options in the top right-hand corner. So you can download it as a PDF, you can email it, or download it in a spreadsheet style format, otherwise known as a CSV file. If you'd like to get more insight into how each of these form instances was completed, scroll to the right and select the view icon next to the form. This will allow you to see into the exact form. Now from here, you can add a corrective action by clicking the clipboard icon, just fill out the prompts and select the check icon. You can export this form the same as I was showing you earlier. Or if you're an admin, you can actually delete this form permanently by clicking the bin icon. Just follow the prompts and select delete. Now, once you have deleted a form, you won't be able to recover it, so be careful. This should have given you a good look into how you can use this page, but if you need to, flick any questions through to our email address below and I'm sure I'll be able to speak to you very shortly.